Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So I have opened my already existing PowerPoint presentation in this video tutorial. Now let's see how to create a new PowerPoint presentation. So first go to the Office button, and in Office button you will find some options. To create new PowerPoint presentation, click on New. So it will ask what type of presentation you want to create. Here it will provide various templates like blank presentation. If you want to create plain blank presentation, then you can use this blank presentation. You can create presentation from installed templates. So click on install templates and you will find some slides, and it will give some theme to create presentation. You can also create presentation using installed themes. So these are the various themes provided by Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can select one of these themes and you can create your presentation. If you have already created your templates, then you can use this template option. I have no templates created, so I cannot use that my template option. Or you can also create a new presentation from existing presentation. If you have internet connected, then you can also create presentation from online services, like you can create featured agendas, award certificate, like templates from online services of Microsoft, and you can create presentation from that online services. So let's create a new presentation. So I am selecting theme, and I'm selecting this solstice theme to create my new presentation, and I will click on that and click on create presentation. So that's it. Now new presentation is created. So this is the first slide of your presentation. Now you can enter here title. If you want to add subtitle, then you can also add caring pets. In left hand side you can overview your slides. If you want to create a new slide, then click on the one slide and enter. So new slide will be created. So this way you can create your new presentation. So this is about presentation and creating presentation. Thank you.